So, how to read and use the reporting and attribution dashboard in your Zapify.io sub account. So, first go to reporting. Right, reporting, and then view key metrics like leads, generated appointments, book pipeline value, and revenue. Yung- Okay, and then use the date filter to see data by day, week, month, or custom range. Use this dashboard in your weekly review to track performance and spot areas to improve.